Want to build a career in cybersecurity but not sure where to start? The CISSP certification is a globally respected credential built on 8 key domains that test your skills and knowledge. In this video, we'll explore each domain and what it means for your cybersecurity journey. If you have ever wondered what makes a cybersecurity expert truly complete, the CISSP framework has the answer. The Certified Information Systems Security Professional, or CISSP, is a globally recognized certification for professionals who safeguard data and systems. To earn it, you need to master the 8 domains of the Common Body of Knowledge, also known as the CBK. These 8 domains form the foundation of a complete cybersecurity professional. Let's get started. The first domain is security and risk management. It forms the foundation of cybersecurity by focusing on governance, compliance, and risk management. Imagine it as the rule book that guides every security decision. This domain helps you identify, evaluate, and mitigate risks, while ensuring the organization meets legal and ethical requirements. The second domain is asset security. It teaches you how to classify and protect information based on its sensitivity and value. Think of it like labeling every drawer in your digital office, so you always know where critical data lives and who can access it. The third domain is security architecture and engineering. This is where design meets defense. It focuses on creating secure systems and environments. You'll learn about encryption, hardware security, and safe design principles that protect technology from the inside. If your organization were a fortress, this domain would teach you how to build its walls and defense systems. The fourth domain is communication and network security. It deals with protecting data as it moves across networks. You will study secure communication protocols, firewalls, and virtual private networks. The goal is simple: keep information safe, confidential, and unaltered while it travels from one point to another. The fifth domain is identity and access management, or IAM. It controls who gets access to what. You will learn about authentication, authorization, and access control methods. This domain ensures that only the right people access the right resources at the right time. The sixth domain is security assessment and testing. This domain ensures your defenses actually work. You will explore penetration testing, audits, and vulnerability assessments to identify weak points before attackers do. Think of it as a regular health checkup for your IT systems. The seventh domain is security operations. This is the command center of cybersecurity. It covers daily monitoring, incident response, forensics, and disaster recovery. When an attack happens, this domain ensures the organization can detect, respond, and recover efficiently. The eighth domain is software development security. It focuses on embedding security within every stage of software creation. You will learn secure coding practices, software testing, and methods to reduce vulnerabilities. This domain ensures that every application you develop is strong, stable, and secure from the beginning. So, there you have it, the 8 domains of CISSP. Each one plays a vital role, from managing risks and protecting assets, to monitoring networks and building secure software. Together, they form the framework for a complete cybersecurity professional. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's official channel for more insights on cybersecurity and professional certifications. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.